See, like I said, the pre-production was intact. We had a previous worked out pretty clearly. We had, even though the orchard, the paper coat environments were not colored and textured,
Okay.
we knew exact depth and
Mhm.
formations, and from where to where is the walking path, or what is the shot breakdown in terms of magnification, etc. So once we had that, we went ahead and shot the girl against chroma,
Okay.
and we placed dummy objects, etc., wherever it was required for her to interact with. I mean, it was fairly technically it was sound shoot. It was not complicated, but it is very difficult for a small girl of 6 to 7 year old to just start emoting, imagining things around.
Mhm.
So getting the performance out of the girl was very difficult the first day of the shoot.
Okay.
So our shoot kind of went on to the next day
Okay.
because we couldn't actually extract the right performances, because it's but natural that small kids in a large green screen, you know, and you are trying to imagine, oh, you imagine Gillu is coming, take the fruit from Gillu, and say bye to Gillu, and all those things are very, very difficult. Where she is looking, etc., always keeps changing.
Mhm.
So it was very tough to extract and the performance, and even the last bit, we were trying to get her to interact with the character. When the character is not there, it was somebody's hand that she had
Okay.
to hold and say, "I love you, Gillu," and all those things she had to do.
Okay.
So it was pretty tough on the girl to um, actually perform that way. But she did a very very good job, being such a small girl. She was very patient, and second day she was pretty much okay. So we got all the majority of the takes that we used eventually are from the second day.
Okay.
And in terms of green screen, we to get the if you see, the film doesn't look too much like a chroma shot film.
Yeah.
It is very well integrated. I think that is complete marks go to um, Tapan Tapan Basu, who shot the film. His camera work was so, he was thinking, he was understanding what the environment is going to look like. So he put a lot of foliage and etc., to cut the sunlight. So it looks like she's walking through the jungle. The light is never harsh on her. If we have trees like in the mango orchard area, if we have the trees, then he actually put some sort of foliage on the top, so the light that is falling on is filtered light and not harsh light, which makes it look very chroma like. So it's brilliant job done. That's how I'm very happy with the way it is integrated so nicely with the environment. That is sometimes technically massive challenge to you know get the real life footage and the animated world integrate well seamlessly. So that is something that I'm very happy with. And then our compositing team and the 3D animation team did a lot of simulation of light,
Okay.
and they kind of matched the directions perfectly. And even they also used a lot of soft objects and dummy objects to cast, irregular shadows and stuff, so that it makes it look very regular, very, very live and real. Even Tapan had come once to check out the lighting too, in the virtual space also to match it. So I think overall sense I'm very happy with the way the production process went about, and we were able to gel everything nicely. It took it, it I was never happy with the way that the way the paper opening animation was happening. So there were a lot of iterations that happened in the studio, and a lot of nights also, because we were trying to get it so right, so right, so right. Even if it is um, for 10 frames also, we didn't want it to look wrong at any given point of time. So there was so much attempt to make it perfect for every frame. Um, which took a toll of our team members. So it's
Okay.
a massive effort, and I think that's the entire credit goes to the team, who was absolutely patient in the whole journey. various stages, around 20 people worked on the project.
Okay.
Various stages. Pre-production there was one team. Technical pre-production there was another team. And the animation and production there was another team. For live action there was an entire different crew which we hired from outside.
Okay.
And yeah, overall I'm sure the people who worked on the commercial would be around 100 people. Because yeah, if you count on every person who worked on it and contributed, there will be some 100 people who worked on the project. And I think we finished the film from the time of the PPM. We finished it in around 4 weeks,
4 weeks. Okay. Almost a month.
almost a month, which is way too tight
Yeah.
for a project like this too.
Okay.
So I don't consider that people should take this as an example for getting a film of this complexity done. I mean, but they had definitely deadlines
Mm.
because before the summer hit, the film had to be on air.
Okay.
So there was a lot of those strategic reasons were there behind the rush
Okay.
the production. Yeah, but the time was very less. Like 4 weeks of production of this sort of film was really tight. So we had to actually work double the time
Okay.
to make this 4 weeks into 8 weeks.
Just
So
very hectic.
very hectic, very hectic.